Wow, what a night. I am truly honored and so excited to be standing here as your 2026 President of Women's Council of Realtors West Suburban Network.
To Nikki, you have strong leadership, big hearts, and a passion for this network that will take West Suburban even further. I wish you all the luck, and I cannot wait to see what you accomplish in 2026.
Thank you for always supporting me, encouraging me, and pushing me higher. I love you and I appreciate you.